Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads. I have neon, white, and some clear. You're also going to need some scissors. And I have 2 feet of string here. We're going to start with putting 1 white bead on the end and tying it. This is just going to hold our place, so our beads don't move around too much. We're going to take the other side and add 6 pink beads. And we're going to circle our string around here and go through 3 pink. Okay, so we went up 3 pink. You're going to pull your string. It should be making like a loop here. And that's what it looks like. We're going to do the next color. 6 orange. Whoops, I lied. Before we do that, we need to add a clear. 1 clear, just let that fall. Now we can add the 6 orange. Okay, we have our clear, our 6 orange, and we're going to take our string and go up these 3 orange. And we're just pulling this long string. Now it can be loose, it'll get a little loose on you. So you just pull down a little bit to tighten it. Okay, we're going to add a clear. Whoops. Just let that fall. And we're going to add 6 yellow. Okay, we're going to take our string and go up 3 yellow. And pull this long string. Pull on it a little bit. Okay, that's what it looks like so far. We're going to add a clear. And I think I'm going to do the rest of these off camera. I think you have an idea of how we're making these little loops here. If you need to stop the video and go back, you can as you work through the other colors. So the next color is green, blue, and then purple. And then we're going to circle around and start the whole rainbow over again. And depending on how long you want it, you might want to shorten it or add less colors. But as you're working, you can kind of see how long you want it to be for your wrist. But I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these off camera, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I have both sets of rainbow on, and I would like to mention that this is going to shrink a little bit when we add the center beads. But right now, this would be like an upper arm bracelet. That's what I was going for. So if you need a smaller one, just remove colors or, yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do, and I went ahead and grabbed my needle because I just think it's going to be a little easier for this part. But if you don't have a needle, don't worry, you can still do it without. Okay, I'm coming out of this purple right here. We're going to add one white. And what we're going to do is go through. Okay, we're coming out of this bead. We need to go across up to this one. So you're going to go through that purple and pull that tight. And we're going to take our needle or your string and you're going to go through the clear and this blue. Going to add a white. Whoops. Same thing, we need to go across. We're coming out of this blue. We need to go up this blue and the clear. We're going to go through this green. We're going to add a clear. Yeah, these are going to move around on you. So just be aware of that. We're going to go through the green and this clear and then up through the yellow. And you might need to push the white bead in there and pull at the same time. Adding a white. Going through the yellow, clear, and orange. Just remember to pull that tight as you're working. Okay, you can remove this white bead at the end. We're going to go through this pink. And we have this clear, so I'm going to go through this small one and But, well, basically both strings are going through that last clear bead. I'll make sure this is going the right way on me. Okay. You're going to take, folding this over, you're going to take your needle and we're going to go through all of the purple beads. So starting with these 3 on this side, and then we're going to circle around and go down those 3. Go down these, and then our strings will meet and we can tie it right here. And you might have to go through and center your bead, push it down a little bit. And also, if you wanted, you could space these flowers out and add more beads like in between. But that's what it looks like. And I would guess this is about 10 or 11 inches. So if you want a smaller one, be sure to remove some colors. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time.